हेलो दोस्तों, स्वागत है आपका मेरे चैनल सोशल शेयर एजुकेशन में।
In this video, I will write essay on only one earth. As we all know that Earth is the only known planet having life in universe, so we should respect and maintain everything we get from our Mother Earth. The name Earth is derived from English and German words Eartha and Erde respectively, which means ground. Earth is the only planet that supports life. We have no other alternative to survive. However, we are misusing resources and exploiting the natural gift that have been so heavily endowed upon us. Overuse and misuse of all the natural resources are causing pollution to such an extent that it has become alarming to the point of destruction. Have you ever thought how we would walk if there is no earth? There will be no water to drink, there will be not be animals living here, and of course no cultivation, so no food to eat. This means to see that the life of humans as well as others living beings cannot be imagined without Earth. We must come together to preserve the natural environment, to raise global awareness about environment and nature, to protect the planet Earth. We celebrate World Environment Day on 5th June across the world. This day also helps in promoting the need for taking positive environmental action. This day also helps in promoting the need for taking positive environmental action. It was established by the United Nations General Assembly in 1972 on the first day of the Stockholm Conference on Human Environment. In this year 2022, we are celebrating it with the theme is Only One Earth. This year 2022 is a historic milestone for the United Nations Environment Programme, UNEP, and global environmental community. It makes the 50th anniversary of all the Stockholm Conference. The planet is our home, and the only way for us to live a sustainable life in future is to save the environment is what makes us who we are. Our planet's alarm is going off, and it is now time to wake up and take actions. So let's join our hands together and make our planet a better place to live on. Everyone must cooperate before it is going to be late in saving our beloved planet while we still can plan it.
अगर आपने अभी तक इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं करा है तो प्लीज़ इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिए और बेल आइकन दबाकर नोटिफिकेशन को भी ऑन कर दीजिए। थैंक यू सो मच फॉर योर वैल्यूएबल टाइम एंड विश यू ऑल द बेस्ट फॉर योर फ्यूचर।